All right, guys. It is April the 3rd. April. Why do I keep saying April? It is May. I can't believe April's gone. It is May the 3rd, 2020. It is 9:32. This is going to be your morning earthquake report. All right. And guys, I've got a list. Hey, Bill. Good morning. God bless you, sweetie. All right. Now, what I've got is a list going till 7:30, 8 o'clock. And then I will get those and give it to you, the rest of those at noon. Okay? So let me read. There was a 4.2 according to USGS, Creek, Greece. They've got it 30 miles north of ANALIPA and PSIS at 48 miles in depth. EMSC has it at a 4.3, Creek, Greece, 43 miles north of ANALIPSIS at 41 miles in depth. Both links will be in the description box. There was a 3.0 Poland. They've got that at 0 miles in depth. Where's my bell? Okay. They got a 3.9 off the coast of El Salvador at 5.5 miles in depth. Now, USGS and EMSC have another conflict here. All right. USGS said there was a 4.3 off the east coast of South Island, New Zealand. They've got it 100 miles south of WAIPA, New Zealand at 6 miles in depth. All right, EMSC has it at a 4.1 east off the east coast of South Island, New Zealand. They've got it 92 miles south of WAIPA, New Zealand at 3.1 miles in depth. Once again, both links are in the description box. There was 4.4 according to the USGS east of Coral Islands. They've got it 99 miles east of SHIKOTAN at 26 miles in depth. EMSC has it at a 4.4. They've got it 98 miles east of WNOKAH at 25 miles in depth. Now, guys, both links are in the description box. They've got it at 2 different locations. They've got it at 2 different depths. So you got both links. There was a 3.0 Tropica, Chile at 59.6 miles in depth. A 3.0 Creek, Greece at 24.8 miles in depth. A 4.5 according to the EMSC, Coral Islands region. Now, guys, they have it 86 miles south of Kurelsky, Russia at 18.6 miles in depth. USGS said it was a 4.5 Coral Islands region. They got it 80 miles southeast of Kurelsky at 16 miles in depth. Good morning, Nikki. Both links will be in the description box. There was a 4.9, which USGS and EMSC agreed totally on, so you only got USGS. A 4.9 Creek, Greece, 65 miles south of IERAPETRA. Same location as the big one the other day, at 6 miles in depth. They're saying it was an aftershock. All right, USGS, EMSC disagree on the locations on this one. USGS said there was a 4.2 Creek, Greece. They've got 60 miles southeast of IERAPETRA at 6 miles in depth. EMSC said it was a 4.2 Creek, Greece, 63 miles south of Marquis GIALOS at 6.2 miles in depth. I don't know what the difference is, but that's where they have it. There was a 4.1 Oaxaca, Mexico. They've got it at 72 miles in depth. There was a 4.2 Southern Shizang, China. They got it at 0 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 according to the USGS. There's another discrepancy here. 4.0 Mona Passage. They've got it 44 miles northwest of San Antonio, Puerto Rico at 4 miles in depth. Okay. Stop dinging. A 4.2 according to the EMSC, Puerto Rico, 47 miles northwest of San Antonio, and they've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. Yes, Bill, it's going off like crazy today. Since they disagree and they've got a conflict with this, there will be both links in the description box. There was a 3.1 Greece at 2.4 miles in depth. There was a 3.3 northern Sumatra at 72 miles in depth. A 3.8 south of Java. Now they've got that at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.6 Colombo, Chile. And they got that Chile at 26.1 mile in depth. A 3.4 Bali, Indonesia. And they've got that at 6.2 miles in depth. And a 3.9 Talaud, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. Now, guys, I cut this off at 7 o'clock. I've got to go from 7 to noon. And as you can hear from my phone, it's going crazy. All right? That was the list of your morning report so far. All right, let me make sure there's nothing major happening here, okay? Let's see. 3.8, 2.3, 2.8, 4.0 where? No, that's a 3.4 California. Let's go and see what we got. That's going on the noon report, if I'm not mistaken. But we may wind up giving it to you on this one since I just discovered it. 3.4. Okay, guys. I'm going to go ahead and give it to you now. Hopefully, I'll get it on the links. USGS says there was a 3.4 near the north coast of California. They've got it 10 miles west of Petrola at 6 miles in depth. All right. And this, let me copy that and see if I can get it onto the links. I don't know, guys. Don't know. We'll see. I'm going to try. Okay, let me go to these. These are just really, really full right now. USGS webpage. And paste. All right. Cross your fingers, guys. Dead serious. Cross your fingers. Let me go see what EMSC has got it at. If they've got it at the same thing, you're just going to get USGS. All right? So hang on one second. 3.0 off the shore of Northern California. Naturally not, guys. They've got it Ferndale. So let me go ahead and copy this and put this in the notes too. Hopefully I get them all there, guys. I'm just going to paste it. We'll see what happens if I can get them all in there. All right. Put a line in between. All right. Hang on one second. I'll read EMSC for you. I don't care if they're two different locations. If EMSC and USGS disagree in any shape or form, you get both. All right. EMSC said it was a 3.4, Northern California. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. They got it 21 miles southwest of Ferndale. All right. Let me show you that just to let you show that I am actually copying what they're saying. All right. Now, near the north coast. Okay. Cross your fingers, guys. Just cross your fingers. Please work. Please let me copy them all and get them into the link. Copy. Copy. All right. I am now going to go to YouTube, guys. I'm going to put this into the description box for you. Like I said, I don't know who's hanging around here. I've got 3 people here, only 2 people in chat. Nikki. Good morning, Nikki. And then Shirley. Okay. There's 3 people here. Okay. That's cool. I was beginning to wonder if my troll was hanging around out there. Okay, we're going to go to my videos at this point. We're going to put this into the description box. Then we're going to copy it and put it into the community section. Okay? Lots and lots of earthquakes. Yes, it did show up, guys. Oh, I am so excited. EMSC webpage. California did show. We're going to go ahead and save that. It's in there. Just making sure, guys, I got them all. Yes. All right. I am going to go and copy this link and put it right into community for you so you can check out all links for this earthquake, these earthquakes, for your morning report. Paste. I am getting, now I'm going to put in the comment section, guys, you will not believe all the smaller earthquakes that were happening in Puerto Rico, Turkey, California. We even had a 0.1 in Switzerland. All right. And they actually put it up on their page, which actually blew my mind that they put a 0.1 up on their page. But hey, I'll go for it. All right. We're copying the smaller links for you. Now, Puerto Rico is going crazy with small earthquakes. Okay. Good for you, Bill. All right. Now, I am going to go into the comments section, guys. And we're going to put this into the comments. So I'm going to go for a minute. You're going to find all kinds of links there for China. You're going to have Argentina there. You're going to have Philippines, Costa Rica, Iceland. You're going to have Switzerland, Nevada, Yellowstone, Oregon, California. Guys, check out these links, okay? There were a bunch. Hey, JJ, there were a bunch of 2-pointers and higher. I cannot keep up with all of the earthquakes in Puerto Rico. I will give you all the 4-pointers and above, okay? They're just numerous. Out of the 72 earthquakes I went through today, most of them were Puerto Rico and Turkey and California. All right? Like what the beeps just happened. That was China just had another one. Turkey just had another one. 2.8 was where? Puerto Rico just had another one. All right? So, all kinds of little ones happening. All kinds. All right, I got my list again. I got about 30 earthquakes to put up for the afternoon report. Argentina is heating up. Yes, Argentina is heating up. They're having a bunch. That's why you've got all earthquake centers. Please check out the Argentina Earthquake Center. I do have it in the comment section, okay? All right, guys, that's what we have. JJ, Bill, Shirley, thank you for coming in, sweetie. Nikki, thank you so much for coming in. You are totally awesome. Chile, too. Chile, Puerto Rico, Turkey, they're all heating up. I appreciate you guys a lot, all right? I'm going to go have a cup of coffee. I definitely need a cup of coffee. And write down these earthquakes from 7 o'clock till now, and then get them up to you hopefully before noon. You are awesome, awesome, awesome. God bless. Have a blessed Sunday, guys. Be safe out there. Help a neighbor if you can. You have a great day. I'll be back at noon or maybe a little bit before. Depends on how many I've got now. Be safe. Coffee, 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 coffee. Yes. Have a great one, guys. God bless.